right, back up.
I got the running.
All right, we'll ride on you. The sun's horrible. With iron sights. You might just suck with iron sights because
give me a sight and I'm hitting it all day, every day. It's like, goddamn.
I need an optic to hit the target.
I shouldn't be. I really shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Good shot, Carson. That thing's pretty dialed. That's a nice one.
I think that's my favorite gun so far. That thing right there is nasty. This thing's freaking dialed. Yeah, you're not getting around in it. You gotta learn when you put mags in. Max, just get a habit of that gun.
Go right there again.
Yeah, right again. Oh, you hear it different?
Yeah.
Really hold on to it. Hit. Oh, you hear it different? Yeah. Really hold on to it. Hit.
That's a.
Woo! Damn it, Carson! I don't have money to spend. Can't afford one of those.
In your name, I'm calling for.
All right, back up.
783 as well.
Wait till it stops moving. Or slows down.
You're good.
High. Is your okay? Put the gun down, kind of, and reset. Your support hand needs to be lower and gripping tighter. There you go. Thumbs up. All right, back up. You should have one round left. Relax, reset, come up, get your grip right, squeeze tight, thumbs up. Yeah! Left. Hit. Is it way off?
Huh?
Is it way off or?
I had the little dots lined up on it like nobody's business.
Hit. 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 Yeah, buddy! Alright, contact. Hit.
It looks high. Hit.
Okay, so let's talk about ballistics for a second. Lasers shoot straight. Bullets shoot in an arc. So if we are centered or zeroed at 50 yards, that means at 50 yards the bullet will come up and be at your point of aim, and then it won't be at your point of aim until you're at 100. If it's a 50, it's 150. So anywhere in that gap, your bullets can be higher than when you aim, so you have to aim lower.
Okay.
So that's why when you're shooting close, you have to aim over your target, and here we have to aim under. So I was one dot on my optic. That dots. I was one dot underneath.
Okay.
And so, just remember, bullets don't shoot straight; they shoot in an arc.
Makes sense.
Okay. What'd you change?
I slowed down, held my breath.
So at this range, that holding your breath matters because your breath movement moves the gun, and that little bit of movement will affect it. You first see the orange on the right side, take the shot. Walk normally. When you see it, get in your stance and shoot. Okay. Empty. Shoot.
Empty.
Done. Good range day, buddy.
That was good.